Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Pokémon Gamma Emerald. First, you will need a few essential files to begin your adventure. This fan-made game offers exciting new content, but requires a specific setup. We will guide you through each step, from acquiring the necessary components to playing the game. It is an easy process once you know the right steps. To start, gather your files. You will need a clean, unpatched Pokémon Emerald ROM. Make sure it is the correct version, often referred to as 1.0 or U for USA. Next, find the Gamma Emerald patch file, which is typically an IPS file. Finally, download a reliable patching program like Lunar IPS. These three items are crucial for the next step. Now it is time to apply the patch. Open your patching utility. You will usually see an option to apply patch or select ROM. Choose your clean Pokémon Emerald ROM first. Then, select the Gamma Emerald IPS file you downloaded. The utility will combine these two files, creating your new, playable Gamma Emerald ROM. This process usually takes only a few seconds. With your ROM successfully patched, you are ready to play. Open your favorite Game Boy Advance emulator and load the new Gamma Emerald file. You can now dive into the enhanced world, discover new Pokémon, and experience the updated story. Get ready for hours of adventure and fun. Remember to check the description for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals. They are truly worth it for comfort and durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.